Hello students, today now we discuss our new topic electric field lines of class 12 science English medium. The electric field lines which are discovered by Michael Faraday in 19th century. The electric field lines are continuous lines which are drawn in any electric field. The definition of electric field lines is: these field lines are imaginary lines or line at which any point, if we draw a tangent, then it gives the direction of electric field intensity. Then such lines are called, or such line is called electric field line. I repeat, what are electric field lines? The definition of electric field line: the electric field lines are imaginary line at which any point, if we draw a tangent, then it gives the direction of electric field intensity. Then such line is called electric field line. We consider the cord is placed in a uniform electric field or electric field. If we draw an imaginary line in such a way that in this way, and we consider 3 or 4 points in this way, 4 points we consider. The name of points are P, Q, R and S. This is the imaginary line at which we consider 4 points P, Q, R, S, at which any point, if we draw tangent, we draw tangent on P point in such a way, at Q point in this way, at R point and at S point. Then such tangents gives the direction of electric field intensity. Then this imaginary line is called electric field line. So the definition of electric field line: it is an imaginary line in any electric field at which any point, we consider P, Q, R, S points, at which any point, if we draw tangent in such a way at P point, Q point, R point, S point, these tangent gives the direction of electric field intensity. Then such imaginary line is called electric field line. Now the properties of, we discuss about properties of electric field lines. This question is important as a point of view class 12 board examination. In class 12 board examination, 1 or 2 marks question is put up from electric field lines. The question is that what are electric field lines? Give any 2 properties of electric field line, or give any 1 or 2 properties of electric field line. So we discuss about properties. Properties of electric field line. First property: for any single positive charge, the electric field lines are in radially outward direction in such a way. This is single point charge, positive point charge, and the field lines are radially outward direction. And for negative charge, single negative charge, the electric field lines are in radially inward direction in this way. Radially inward or normally inward direction for single negative charge. So first property of electric field lines: for a single positive charge, the electric field lines are in radially outward direction, and for single negative charge the direction of electric field lines is radially inward direction. Second property, the electric field lines are always started from positive charge and end at negative charge. We consider two charges, positive and negative. Then electric field lines are always started normally from positive charge and end at negative charge in this way. And at negative charge, towards negative charge and far away from positive charge. So the second property of electric field line is electric field lines are started from positive charge and end at negative charge. Third property is when opposite charges are put very close to each other. We consider positive, negative, opposite charges put very close to each other. Then electric field lines always look like a straight string, which shows that always opposite charges attract to each other. In this way, the field lines are look like straight string in such a way. So third property is when we put opposite charges close to each other, then field lines look like straight string, which shows that opposite charges always attract to each other. Fourth property is when same nature charges put close to each other. We consider positive or we consider negative. Now we consider both are positive charges. When same charges are put very close to each other, then the electric field lines always repel to each other in this way. So the property is when same nature charges put very close to each other, then the electric field lines always repel to each other, which shows that same nature charges always repel to each other. And we obtain a region, and this region at which there is no electric field line, such region is called neutral region. And if we draw any point at this region, this is called neutral point. So the question is, what is neutral region or what is neutral point? The region at which there is no electric field lines, this region is called neutral region, and if we draw a point in this region, which is called neutral point. This is fourth property of electric field line. Next property, sixth property, electric field lines never close to each other. Two electric field lines never cross to each other. If they cross to each other, then there will be a contradiction, because at an intersection point of two electric field lines, when they cross to each other or intersect to each other, there will be two directions of electric field lines, and at a single point, if we draw two electric field lines, this is not possible. This is impossible condition. So two electric field lines never intersect or cross to each other. So next property is two electric field lines never cross or intersect to each other, and the reason is, if they cross to each other, then condition is look like these are two electric field lines, one is that and another electric field line in such a way. If they cross to a P point, then at P point, if we draw a tangent, according to this electric field line, tangent is in this direction, and according to this electric field line, the tangent is in this direction. So this electric field line gives the electric field density E1 vector, and this one gives E2 vector, and a single point. There are two electric field intensity, which is not possible. So two electric field lines never cross to each other. The question is put up: why two electric field lines are not cross or intersect to each other? The answer is, if two electric field lines are close to each other, then at intersection or crossing point, if we draw a tangent, then we obtain two direction of electric field density, and at a single point, the direction of two electric field density is not possible. So two electric field lines never cross to each other. Next property, seventh property, which is that electric field lines never make a closed loop. As we see in before example, we put two opposite charges very close to each other and draw electric field lines. Then the direction of electric field lines is always from positive to negative. Always from positive to negative. There is no electric field line which direction is from negative to positive. So there is unidirection. It is not in both direction. It is in unidirection. It always from positive to negative. It can't draw from negative to positive. So these field lines never make a closed loop. This property is seventh property. Next property. The next property is the number of field lines. The number of field lines which are very close, then such region is called a maximum electric field intensity region, and a region at which the field lines are far away from each other, then such region is called a minimum electric field intensity region. I draw a diagram and explain this property. We take a three region. First region is A, and second region is B, third region is C region. So as we see, at A region there are maximum electric field lines. There are maximum electric field lines which cross this cross section area, and the field lines are very close to each other. So electric field intensity at A point, EA, is maximum, and for C region there is only one electric field line which cross to each other, and there are no electric field lines, and electric field lines are very far away from each other. So at C region, EC, electric field intensity is minimum. We can say EA greater than EB, and it is greater than EC. EC is minimum, and at A region it is maximum electric field lines. So the property is, the region at which the electric field lines are very close, region is called maximum electric field intensity region, and region at which the electric field lines are far away from each other, the region is called minimum electric field intensity region. The next property is, it is the last property. For any surface charge conductor, for any surface of charge conductor, electric field lines are normal to the surface, normal or perpendicular. For charged conductor, electric field lines are always normal to the surface of charged conductor. For any charged conductor, always electric field lines are normally or perpendicular to that surface. And the field lines are the property of only surface property. Field lines never penetrate the surface of charged conductor. It always starting from the positive charge surface and end at negative charge surface. It never penetrate the surface of charged conductor. So these are the properties of electric field lines, and this is the topic of electric field line. Thank you very much.